Transforming video editing with artificial intelligence. 1. InVideo Overview. If you're looking to create professional videos right on your computer, InVideo is a great way to go. You don't need fancy equipment or knowledge of complicated video editing software. Simply upload your videos or use existing footage, choose from a wide selection of templates and effects, and hit publish. Top features. Library of 50+ AI-based templates to easily convert text to video in just 3 steps. Easy to use, even for users with no video editing experience. Pricing. Free plan. Create a 40-minute video with access to templates and media library, but your video contains a watermark. Business. $15 per month with 60 videos/month and no watermark on videos. Unlimited. $30 per month for unlimited videos each month. 2. Pictory Overview. Are you looking for the perfect AI video editing software for your short videos? Check out Pictory. From social media clips and YouTube videos to anything in between, Pictory can help you create amazing videos with ease and accuracy. It's one of the best AI video editors as it's so easy to use. Top features. An intuitive user interface for easy navigation and workflow. Ability to edit multiple sources simultaneously. It can turn text to video automatically from a blog post or article. Pricing. Standard level. $19 per month, make up to 30 videos per month and up to 10 hours of video transcription. Make sure to try the free trial of Pictory to make sure it's the AI video generator software you need. Premium. $39 per month, make up to 60 videos per month and up to 20 hours of video transcription. 3. FlexClip Overview. Looking to make your videos stand out from the crowd? Then you need to check out the FlexClip Video Maker. This AI-powered video editor is designed to help you create professional-looking videos easier than ever. Top features. Select from thousands of pre-made video templates to save time. Automatically scale videos to fit any platform. Compose music to match the video's emotion and message. Pricing. Free, create allure as watermarked video of up to 1 minute. Basic, $5.99 per month. Plus, $9.99 per month. Business, $19.99 per month. 4. Wisecut Overview. Looking for a video editor that's both powerful and intuitive? One program to check out is the Wisecut video editing software. This AI-driven video editor offers all the features of traditional video editing tools, plus automated processes to help you quickly create professional quality videos. Top features. The software automatically adds music to match the video's emotion and message. Choose from millions of royalty-free audio files available. Pricing. Forever free. 30 minutes per month of low-resolution video editing. Starter. 4 hours per month of medium-resolution video editing. Professional. 10 hours per month of high-resolution video editing. 5. Adobe Premiere Pro Overview. Are you looking for an easy way to make amazing videos? Take a look at the Adobe Premiere Pro AI video editor from the Adobe Creative Cloud. This user-friendly AI video editing software is powered by AI and is designed to help you create incredible videos in no time. Top features. Master clips to quickly apply changes and effects across multiple projects. Quickly add titles and captions with built-in AI-powered text styling tools. Develop custom coloring with color wheels, curves, and more. Pricing. Premiere Pro plan, starting at $20 per month. Adobe Creative Cloud, access to all Adobe apps, starting at $54.99 per month.